Hello, you're welcome back to Nola Cooks. On today's video, I will be showing you how to make jollof rice. This is one of my favorite food. I love jollof rice and fried rice a lot. In my next video, I should be showing you how to make fried rice. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you can be notified once I post a new video. A list of all the ingredients that I used in this video will be in the description box below. Here I am preparing the pepper mix. I used red bell peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper, onions and tomatoes, and I will be blending all of that until it is smooth. For this video, I'll be using 500 grams of Uncle Ben's rice. I'll be washing that and I'll set it aside. You can use any other rice that you prefer. In a clean and dry pot, I melted 50 grams of butter and I'll be adding some cooking oil to it. In this video, I used sunflower oil. You can use any kind of oil that you prefer. I am now adding my sliced onions and I'll let that fry for about 3 minutes before adding my tomato puree. You can use only cooking oil for this process if you don't want to use butter. I am now adding in my grounded pepper mix, my seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, salt and some bay leaves. If you have some meat or chicken broth that you want to add, you can add them also. I can see that my pepper mix is well cooked now, and I added some boiling water that is enough to cook the rice to it. If you are not using boiling water, you have to wait until it boils before adding the rice. After cooking on high heat for 10 minutes, I am now adding my remaining ingredients and I'll be stirring all of that in. I am covering with a foil and I'll let that steam for another 15 minutes on a low heat. My jollof rice is now ready, and as you can see, it is well cooked and not soggy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, I'll be in the comment section below. Let me know when you try this recipe. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. Also, let me know if you have any video recommendation for me. I can try that too. Bye.